5 classrooms in Tenwek, boys in Bomet County, was last night destroyed by fire. Witnesses say that the fire started while students in the school were asleep. The school headmaster Mutali Chesebe told the media that the classrooms and offices where the exams are kept were targeted. The school has been in the top in the county in national examinations. And now let us link up with our reporter Martin Kosgei, who is currently at the school. Kosgei, what do we know so far about this fire?
Thank you very much, Michael. For now, the latest update here is that 5 classrooms there were occupied by a section of Form 2 and Form 3 students. The fire incident happened around past midnight, where the students were not, at the time, they were not at their classrooms, but they were already asleep at their dormitories. Some of the according to the principal, the latest reports here is that the arsonists are purported to be coming from within the school compound. It's either some of the staff or the students who might have caused the fire in the school.
All right, and from that statement that it's mainly targeting where examinations were kept, would it be too early to possibly think of arson as a possibility?
There's a high possibility. There are some of the arsonists are just from the students themselves, because already here the CID department from Bomet, some of the education officials from the county government, both national and county governments are already here, and the investigations are underway just to know who might have started this kind of an event for the first time at Tenwek High School.
Any injuries or casualties reported so far?
So far, there are no injuries, since all the students were already asleep, but all the education materials, exercise book, textbooks, all desks were raised down by the fire, which happened last night. For now, students are just, around more than 200 students are just waiting to see what's next, because all their items are being were raised down last night, so they are just waiting. Maybe they'll be told to leave home, or they are just waiting full information from the county director of education.
Okay, and now that the school has always been one of those at top when it comes to examinations, is this likely to affect their performance? And your thoughts on that, and maybe what the principal has to say?
For now, you cannot tell, because the students are just calm. No one was affected. I think they are trying to figure out who might have caused this, so that they'll announce the next action. But for education and their activities here in school, they are just okay. But for exams, you may never know what will happen, because the main reason why they had to target classrooms and where the exam materials were kept, you may never know if the students were scared of their exams, or what is the possible outcome of this fire incident.
All right, finally, before we let you go, is the school still operational, or have they closed?
For now, parents are still arriving one by one, checking on their students. There are a lot of speculations around that the school might have burned down their dormitory, but for now, parents are just coming in one by one to check on their students.
Thank you very much. That's our colleague and reporter Martin Kosgei, who is